So you're thinking of moving to Zionsville, Indiana? And I can totally see why. It is my favorite suburb here in Indianapolis. Well, there is just one problem. Your budget is maxed out at $350,000. Well, with this super crazy seller's market, is it still possible to get a home here in Zionsville for under $350,000? Well, we're going to find out. If this is your first time to this channel and you want to know everything about living in Indianapolis, Indiana, and the surrounding areas just like Zionsville, please consider subscribing. There is that button down below. And of course, tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to know about the current market here in Zionsville, Indiana. My name is Cara. I am with Esate, your local real estate expert, bringing you another episode of Indy Vibe. Okay, so on this video, I am going to show you 3 homes in 3 different neighborhoods that are less than $350,000. Our first home is the least expensive at $299,900. Yes, you heard that right. It's just a tad less than $300,000. Now this one is already pending as expected, and it will likely cross the $300,000 mark when it eventually closes. So let's go over what this home has to offer. It has 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and a square footage of 2,118 square feet. No basement. Now the lot size is almost 1/5 of an acre at 0.18 of an acre. All the bedrooms are on the second level. Laminate flooring throughout the main level, tile in the kitchen. Baby blue / powder blue for the kitchen cabinets. Not really liking it. But hey, different strokes. Maybe they're trying to set a trend. Well, we'll see if it catches on. On the exterior, it's got brick on the lower half and siding on top. It's not a bad elevation, especially for the price. Now, this one is in the Wimbledon Station subdivision. There is an HOA of $595 a year, and the community has a park / playground, swimming pool, tennis court, and walking trails. So it does have some amenities. Okay, so let's see what the neighborhood is like with this driving tour of Wimbledon Station. Now on to the next home here in Zionsville that you can afford if your budget is under $350,000. Now this one was listed for $315,000 and actually sold for $315 in $10. Somebody has a sense of humor. Let's overbid by $10. I know. Anyway, it's a one-level home with just 2 bedrooms, 2 full baths, and a total of 1,503 square feet. Just like the first one, it also does not have a basement. Now this lot is not really big at 0.14 of an acre. Also, with it being just a 2-bedroom, that may be an issue for some people, but it does have an extra room. It doesn't have a closet, but you can use it as a bedroom or an office. Now, this home is in the Hunt Club Village and has an HOA of $340 annually. Now we're going to do a driving tour of the Hunt Club Village to get a feel for the neighborhood. Now for our final stop. Yes, we got yet another house here in Zionsville that is less than our budget of $350,000. This one was listed for $309,000 but ended up selling for $336,500. But I sort of can see why. It's got most of what buyers at this price point are looking for. Granite countertops, white kitchen cabinets, and you can see that there has been some upgrading done throughout the entire house. It has 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, and 1 half bath. It is a 2-story home with no basement, with a total square footage of 2,276 square feet, and the lot is also 0.14 of an acre. It is in the Amherst Meadows Subdivision, and the HOA is $485 annually. They have a clubhouse, park, playground, swimming pool, and walking trails. All right, so let's check out the community with this driving tour. Well, there you have it, folks. It is actually still possible to get a home here in Zionsville for less than $350,000. And actually, you get just a little bit more home for the money here in Zionsville compared to Carmel. If you're curious about that, I will put a link in the description below to our video on what you can get for under $350,000 in Carmel. I hope this video gave you an idea of the kind of homes in neighborhoods you'd get here in Zionsville is under $350,000. We get calls and emails every day from people just like you looking for help on making their move to Zionsville, Indiana, and I just love it. Whether you're moving in 9 days or 90 days, give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email so I can help you make a smooth move to Zionsville. Well, I hope to show you around town. I will see you again next time.